You can find everything under the hood of the 2025 Ford Puma. There are petrol units, oil burners, and hybrid. An electric battery joins the party next year. Manual and automatic transmissions offer even more choice. We will see if the company is launching Puma in more markets. Nowadays, this model is available only in Europe and Australia. The production is taking place in Romania, but more factories can be used for the build in the future, especially the EV. Engine. This small crossover uses efficient units. The base configuration is a 1.0-liter turbocharged 123 with 95 horsepower. There are also boosted versions where engineers manage to squeeze 115 points. In a hybrid version, the system centered around a 1.0 unit deliver 155 HP. You can upgrade it with a 1.5-liter turbo unit and the SD package. This is a sporty setup that delivers the best power output up to 200 horsepower. Previously, this engine could do 170 HP. For the 2025 Ford Puma SD will not be further enhancement. The Eco Blue diesel blend is delivering 120 horsepower and 199 pound-feet of torque. A 6-speed manual and a 7-speed DCT are available gearbox. The configuration depends on the engine and markets, as well as the fuel economy. The best one in this section is, of course, hybrid. The 2025 Ford Puma release date and price. Fans are eagerly waiting for the new Puma to be launched. Then we will see the company's plans and if it is going to replace the EcoSport. Puma is longer and bigger, so it can be added to the US lineup without discontinuing the exciting subcompact crossover. Since it is bigger than EcoSport, the price in the United States will be higher, probably starting around $25,000.